all these Bardo teachings, the main purpose, the ultimate purpose is to recognize our true nature, sometimes what we call Buddha nature, nature of mind, Dharmakaya, all, or sometimes what we call enlightened nature. So all this great name, but the real, for the experiential level, is that we have this mind, and then our true nature, the fundamental nature of our mind, and how to eventually to get to there and to recognize that. For example, let's say if there's a bright sun, and sun always radiating the light, and there's a cloud cover, maybe let's say round, and then the maybe two layers, first layer and second layers. The second layer cover is very thick, right? And then the first layer of the cover is less thick. So even though second layer, the cloud is thick, but still some light you can see, light reach out there. So our true nature, the Buddha nature, is like sun. Even though we have this fixed mind, the conceptual mind, the dualistic mind, cover our true nature, but still we are manifesting our Buddha nature, this light of the Buddha nature, the wisdom, all this wisdom, love, compassion, always, everything manifesting in our everyday life. So the particular moment in between the Bardo, and these are the like this cloud, kind of like having a little bit gapped, cracks. So during this crack, then the sunlight manifests. So if you recognize that, through that light you can reach the sun, then you will achieve enlightenment. You will really recognize your true nature more quickly, and it's become like shortcut. So this kind of like moment of crack, that in between, it happens in our everyday life many times.